Hi students, are you ready for today's lesson? Today we are going to learn place value, partition any numbers according to place value and digit value. We read this number as 142. Partition the number according to the place value. In last lesson, we learned about place value. So today, if we want to partition the numbers according to place value, we will use the place value to answer this question. The place value of 2 is ones, 4 is tens, 1 is hundreds. If partitions according to the place value, we will write 1 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 2 ones. $579. Partition the number according to the digit value. So, we will use digit value here. Let's see what is the digit value of each digit. 9 is 9, 7 is 70, 5 is 500. The partition will be 500 plus 70 plus 9. For the partition of digit value, we will use all the digit value. So, don't forget the symbols here, plus and equals. Let's see some examples here. Partition the numbers according to place value. That means we will use the place value. What is the place values we learned in last lesson? Ones, tens, hundreds. The answer will be 1 hundreds plus, how many tens here? 0. 0 tens plus 9 ones. 109. Here is 489. How many hundreds here? 4 hundreds. How many eights? Plus 8s. 10 plus 9 ones. The answer will be 489. 489. Now, let's find the tortoise here. 6 hundreds, 7 tens, 3 ones. The answer will be 673. Yes, it is correct here. 900, 5 tens plus 0 ones. What is the answer? The answer will be 950. There are 9 hundreds, 5 tens, 0 ones. Answer will be 950. Partition the numbers according to digit value. That means we will use digit value. All the values are in numbers. How many hundreds are here? 200. How to write 200? 200. Plus, how many tens here? 6. That means 60. How many ones? 1. 261. Let we partition the number according to digit value. Please guess your answer. So, the answer will be, how many hundreds are here? 5 hundreds plus 90 plus, is it any ones here? No, but we will write here 0. Okay. The first question, 700 plus 10 plus 5. What is the answer? 715. Yes. Here, 900 plus 3. Why there is no tens here? That means tens there is 0. 900 plus 3? 903. 300 plus 70. 370, no ones. So ones will be 0. 370. That's all from me. Thank you.